Spring, butt stock, bolt, barrel, trigger assembly, feature cover, and receiver. Good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, nice.
I think so.
Good stuff, good stuff.
The competition is they're gonna take apart the 240, sir, and see who does it in the fastest time, putting it back together.
Okay, cool. You guys ready?
You have 1 minute to clear.
Time starts once you
Disassemble.
touch the weapon.
Match by nomenclature label. Parts of the 240, which time your time will stop. After that, you will have 2 minutes to correctly assemble and perform function check on 240 Bravo.
So we're gonna
Do
stop.
you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Time starts as soon as I hit 1. 3, 2, 1.
Receiver, trigger, housing assembly, feed tray cover, butt stock, bolt, barrel, spring. Assembly, spring, barrel, trigger control housing, butt stock.
23 seconds.
Woo! You got 26.
23 and 26. Good job, y'all.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
Switched over to fire.
36.
Good job, guys. Good job. Faster than I could do it. That's cool. That's what I'm talking about.